One of the most asked question is about the air fryer that I use. This is my air fryer. It sits on my shelf in the kitchen and it fits perfectly. It's the baking tray. It comes with the air fryer. This is the dripping tray. It has the rotisserie accessories, so you can roast a chicken or make shawarmas in it. It has two lower heating tubes and two upper heating tubes that work like an oven. The diamond shaped design is perfect for even heat distribution, and enamel lining makes the food healthier and durable. I also love the fact that it has a light in it so I can see my food cooking. This is the 8-inch LED screen. It's very beginner friendly. You don't have to do anything. You can just press the option and it will just literally select the time and everything on its own and cook it. You can use this for fermentation, defrosting, the dehydrator. It has the option to choose the upper tubes or lower tubes along with the fan. The air fryer option, you can preheat it. This is for the rotisserie option, and this is the light. You can turn it on and off. It's the temperature and time control, so you just rotate it to change the temperature. It's 25 liters and it is amazing. The capacity is huge. Just gonna turn the light on. So that's it. That's my air fryer, and right now I'm making food in it.